Technology is accelerating. Markets are shifting every day. A single oversight can cost more than compliance. It can cost safety, trust, and a brand's entire reputation. Businesses can no longer afford to wait for risks. They must ensure compliance up front. Standards do not create technology. They standardize it to ensure that it can enter the market safely, responsibly, and sustainably. Standardization manages risk, builds trust, and enables acceleration without compromise. Standards and technical regulations are more than compliance tools. They are instruments of governance for a modern nation, a universal language of trust, and the foundation of fair, sustainable, and connected development. Ultimately, they serve as a silent layer of protection for consumers and society. But for standards and technical regulations to become reality, we must be competent and trusted conformity assessment bodies, or CABs, organizations capable of transforming standards into practice through science and technology. In 2016, driven by the market's inevitable demand for quality standardization, Phuc Gia Laboratory Corporation was officially established. Phuc Gia is positioned as a leading testing and certification body, specializing in electrical and electronic products, telecommunications, information technology, electrical safety, and cybersecurity. Driven by the mission to serve as a technical bridge between government, businesses, and consumers, Phuc Gia does more than evaluate compliance with existing technical standards and regulations. We also proactively expand our capabilities to anticipate emerging regulatory trends, helping businesses stay ahead in research, manufacturing, and market integration, both domestically and internationally. Today, Phuc Gia continues to expand its technical capabilities, professional expertise, and operational scale, continuously setting new milestones of growth. Phuc Gia currently operates a modern testing infrastructure spanning nearly 5,000 square meters at ICD Long Bien, Hanoi, a strategic logistics hub directly connected to seaports and major logistics networks, enabling businesses to access testing and certification services conveniently, efficiently, and rapidly. Meanwhile, Phuc Gia Laboratory Corporation's Ho Chi Minh City branch has officially launched, expanding our service capabilities and strengthening support for the business community across southern Vietnam. Phuc Gia operates specialized centers that power its technical ecosystem, including Phuc Gia Testing and Inspection Center and Phuc Gia Certification Center, supporting both state management activities and the testing and certification demands of domestic and international enterprises. Phuc Gia Calibration Center, ensuring equipment quality control and measurement accuracy to deliver highly reliable results. Phuc Gia Training and Technology Transfer Center, providing tailored training programs using professional software systems to ensure continuous and sustainable competency development. Phuc Gia Research and Development Center, driving the research, development, and integration of advanced technologies to foster innovation in testing, certification, and technical services. Phuc Gia brings together a team of over 150 highly qualified professionals. 100% of the technical personnel in testing and certification hold undergraduate or postgraduate degrees, rigorously selected from Vietnam's leading institutions, such as Hanoi University of Science and Technology, HUST, the Posts and Telecommunications Institute of Technology, PTIT, Vietnam National University, Hanoi, and Vietnam National University, Ho Chi Minh City. Phuc Gia is proud to be the first organization in Vietnam simultaneously accredited by all three prestigious accreditation bodies, BOA, AOSC, and VACI, for laboratory competence in accordance with ISO/IEC 17025. In addition, Phuc Gia's product certification system has been accredited by BOA in accordance with ISO/IEC 17065 under accreditation code VCUS 123 Pro. For consecutive years, Phuc Gia has been designated and authorized by key ministries and regulatory authorities, including the Ministry of Industry and Trade, the Ministry of Information and Communications, the Ministry of Science and Technology, the Ministry of Public Security, the Hanoi Department of Science and Technology, and the Hanoi Department of Industry and Trade to provide testing and certification services across critical sectors: energy efficiency, electrical safety, electromagnetic compatibility, lithium battery safety, photobiological safety, radio frequency, cybersecurity, specific absorption rate. Phuc Gia's security system is implemented in accordance with ISO/IEC 27001 international standards, enforcing strict controls applied at every stage. From sample receiving, sealing, and baggage screening to dedicated supervision across all operational areas. At Phuc Gia, client confidentiality is always a top priority throughout the entire testing and certification process. All data and results are handled under rigorous control procedures to ensure transparency, objectivity, and maximum security. For Phuc Gia, information security is more than a legal obligation. It is a core professional ethic and a long-term commitment to every brand we partner with. Phuc Gia is proud to be a trusted partner of global brands across the fields of electrical, electronic, telecommunications, information technology, safety, and cybersecurity, including Apple, Samsung, Intel, Cisco, LG, Sony, Panasonic, HP, Dell, Asus, Acer, MSI, Signify, Aruba, Daikin, Mitsubishi, alongside many other internationally recognized names. Phuc Gia also partners with leading domestic and international corporations, such as Foxconn, Bosch, Siemens, Viet, VNPT, FPT, DigiWorld, Petrosetco, Miele, Liebherr, TP-Link, and TCL. Building upon this foundation, Phuc Gia is consistently selected as a strategic partner by leading domestic and international testing and certification organizations, including VDE of Germany, UL of the United States, TÜV Rheinland of Germany, Bureau Veritas of France, KTR of Korea, Telecom Metrology and Quality Center, and Television and Internet Measurement Center. To date, Phuc Gia has established testing and certification capabilities covering more than 90% of Vietnamese national technical regulations and standards for household and office electrical, electronic, telecommunications, information technology, safety, and cybersecurity products. This achievement progressively realizes its vision of becoming a comprehensive body powered by a fully integrated ecosystem of testing, certification, calibration, training, and technology transfer. Alongside its technical activities, Phuc Gia actively collaborates with the government, regulatory authorities, and professional organizations, participating deeply in the consultation, development, assessment, implementation, and enforcement of national technical regulations and standards. Ms. Mai Thi Bun, General Director of the company, currently serves as Executive Committee Member, Standing Committee Member, and Vice President of the Vietnam Association of Testing Laboratories, or VINALAB, for the 2025 to 2030 term. Phuc Gia is an Executive Committee Member of the Vietnam Lighting Association, VLA, member of the Vietnam Society of Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Engineers, VISRAE, member of the Vietnam Chamber of Commerce and Industry, VCCI, member of National Technical Committees for Standards, National Technical Regulation Drafting Committees, and councils responsible for the appraisal, verification, and acceptance of national and ministerial technical regulations, standards, and scientific projects. Member of the National Cybersecurity Association. Member of Designation Assessment Delegations, led by ministries and regulatory authorities, participating in the appraisal and competency evaluation of testing organizations nationwide. Concurrently serving as technical experts for accreditation, assessment teams of the National Accreditation Bureau, or BOA. With this solid foundation, Phuc Phuc Gia continues to reinforce its role as a strategic technical bridge within the global trade ecosystem, helping Vietnamese products seamlessly access international markets while ensuring global products comply with Vietnamese regulatory requirements. It is this two-way connectivity that positions Phuc Gia as a trusted gateway for trade, a hub where expertise, standards, and deep market understanding converge in the era of global integration. And in a world where technology evolves faster than ever, trust is not built on promises. It is forged through verified standards. As a leading conformity assessment body, Phuc Gia is dedicated to elevating quality standards, protecting consumers, and advancing safe, responsible, and sustainable technological development. Phuc Gia remains deeply committed to partnering with regulatory authorities, businesses, and communities to uphold standards, reinforce trust, and ensure that every product manufactured, tested, and circulated carries the mark of global safety and quality. Phuc Gia, a comprehensive testing and certification organization for electrical and electronic equipment.